Hello, good morning, good evening. We're on the Johnson travel journey, fish hunting with Kyrie, Carl, Kyle, Licel, the whole family here in Baler, Aurora.
This is Kyrie. So today's video is about fish hunting. So we're gonna go fishing today because in the last video I said we're gonna go fish hunting to Baler. And this is what we do.
Yep.
We're gonna go fishing on the beach. And this killer that's trying to bite me.
Aw. There's a fish right there. A nice little tide pool. Nowhere for the fish to go until high tide. So it's now low tide here at Diguisit Beach, if I'm saying it right. Let's go check out the tide pools. So that is where we were swimming with the grandchildren just 3 or 4 hours ago. Now I can walk here in my shoes, but space between the rocks, some Instagrammers have occupied that, so we're just gonna look at the tide pools. Let's go. Nice waves. We'll go to the surfing beach on this same trip, Sabang Beach, which is just down the coast. Just the other side of that rock there. Let's see if we can find some sea creatures. It's a crab. Right by the fish. Oh, and there's a bluefish. One blue fish. Where are you, buddy? Hiding. There he is. Oh, crab. Crabby crab. Oh look, Kyrie said we go fish hunting next vlog. And that's exactly what we've done. Oh, and you can see the... I'll have to ask Licel what that is. Especially since we're in our hometown, Baler, Aurora. I'm not going to try to pronounce the barangay we're in again. Probably butcher it. But we are Kyrie fish hunting. Not like the Maryland crabs, but pretty cool. Oh, coming out. I guess he can escape before high tide. Well, it looks like the secret passageway is finally open for YouTubers here. Let's go try it. Got some tide pools here.
Pataas.
There's some fat fish swimming down there somewhere. Oh. Some sort of, maybe a hermit crab. Cairo and Kyrie and Maurice and Thea didn't catch that one. Shh, don't tell the grandchildren here.
Yatin mo na ba? Yung summit.
Nice little, almost looks like clownfish, but they're gray. Yeah, nice.